So what is Flickr? Well, at its heart, it is a platform, it is a website that allows you to share your photos with the rest of the world, with friends, with family, with anyone that wants to see them. And that's how most people use it. But the exciting thing about Flickr, and one of the reasons why I'm so thrilled to be doing this training, is that there are many other things that you can do with this application. You can stay in touch with other people and their photos. You can make things like little business cards and prints and things like that. And you can explore photography throughout the world. All these other photographers that participate in this platform are sharing photos constantly, so you can see what someone is doing in another part of the world. You can see what people are doing with other types of equipment. And through participating in things such as Flickr groups that specialize in certain areas, such as Canon photography, such as black and white photography, such as purse photography, you name it, they have a group for it. You can become a better photographer and hang out with photographers who have interests that are similar to yours. So in this training, we are going to look at all of these things, and I'm going to show you how to take advantage of the total Flickr, not just a little bit of Flickr that people tend to use. Let's get started.